Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 2026 Ram 1500 America 250 Special Edition trucks. Now if you follow me here on the channel or on Mopar Insiders, last year we talked a little bit about Stellantis joining forces with America 250. If you're not familiar with what America 250 is, it's a nonpartisan, government-involved organization that is basically out there to celebrate the 250th anniversary of the United States being formed. Now with that, the group has basically put on they're scheduled to put on hundreds, if not thousands, of different events throughout the year. We're seeing things like the Grand Prix in Washington and stuff like that. So they're doing tons of different events throughout the country to celebrate the 250th anniversary, as well as partnering with American companies to help celebrate. Well, Stellantis might be, Italian, French, and American, but they are one of the first companies to join up, and we talked about that last year. And now we're starting to see some kind of collaborations between the two. And the first trucks that we're going to see here is the Ram 1500. On top of that, next week we're going to be talking about the Dodge Durango America 250 edition, so stay tuned for that. But I want to go through these trucks because Ram decided to pull the covers off of them today, and I think they're really cool, and I think the bighorn out of all of these trucks is really going to stand out. So let's go through what these trucks are. So it's kind of fitting that obviously you're going to be able to only pick 3 colors for this lineup. And the lineup, I will tell you, includes Bighorn, Laramie, and Rebel. So obviously the 3 most core best-selling trucks that they have, they are going to be part of the lineup. Unfortunately, no tradesmen or anything like that, but Bighorn, Laramie, and Rebel. Now with that, you get to pick from 3 colors, and I bet you can guess what they are. It's molten red, hydro blue, or bright white. So again, red, white, and blue, how patriotic is that? Now, what's unique about these trucks is they feature unique touches, and some of it kind of plays back to like the built-to-serve trucks, and you're going to see why. But all the trucks get satin black American flag hood decals as well as bedside decals. So the bedside decal is an American flag, and it kind of reminds me of the built-to-serve trucks, but they're a different kind of graphic. It's not the same as the built-to-serve, so don't think it's just, hey, we're just copying and pasting old decals. It's not that at all. On top of that, each truck gets America 250 commemorative emblems on the doors next to the Ram logo. And then you get blacked out elements. So you get blacked out wheels, blacked out mirror caps, blacked out badging, all that stuff to kind of bring all the trucks kind of together. But the big thing is, for Bighorn models, all of these trucks will get sport performance hoods. So this is the very first time that you can get a sport performance hood on a Bighorn. So again, that's one thing that the Bighorn's really standing out with in this package, and I think a lot of people are going to love it once I talk about the interior. Now, with the Bighorn interior, this is where it gets fun. Just recently, Jeep introduced their last 12 for 12 special edition and had a denim interior. Well, guess what? It's coming on Bighorn. So Bighorn will have a denim sole blue fabric upholstery, and it really stands out because it's kind of like that old kind of Levi's edition kind of material that that AMC used, but it's more of a modern take, so it's not like it's faded, but it really stands out. So it's blue, it's got red and white accent stitching, and the center console does, the doors, all that stuff, and it really stands out. And again, it's just little details. So like, for example, it's going to have ruby red seat belts. So it's going to kind of blend the whole interior together with the red, white, and blue theme. It's not just the seatbelts that stand out. You're also going to have that same Velcro seat back patches for customization, kind of like what we've seen on the built-to-serve edition trucks. So again, I kind of said it kind of plays back to the built-to-serve. But the upper glove box has an America 250 badge, special actual badge. All of the America 250 trucks, I believe, come with the 12-inch Uconnect system standard. And then all of them also come with the digital gauge clusters. So this is the first time you're going to be able to get Bighorn with the full 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. So again, you're getting more premium stuff on Bighorn than ever before, and I think a lot of people will really love that. Let's talk about Laramie and Rebel. Their interiors are getting unique tweaks too. Now, they don't get a denim interior, but they're getting more premium. So they're getting leather performance seats with perforated blue crust inserts. So if you actually look at the seats, they have like a unique insert pattern to them. Looks really cool. On top of it, they get red and white stitching on the center console, and they also get the leather wrap dashboard and door panels with red and white stitching as well. Satin chrome America 250 badging on the IP, and again, it's just a unique package. I think it kind of stands out just enough. It's more premium than the Bighorn, but I think the Bighorn is really the standout in this lineup. But again, Laramie and Rebel get more premium details. So again, 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 system. We see that the passenger screen's available. So it's going to be a nice truck. If you want that more premium, package, go with the Laramie or the Rebel. So let's talk about Powertrain. So Powertrain obviously is the same. If you get the Bighorn, you can still opt for the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with e-torque. Obviously, that mild hybrid system helps with fuel efficiency, but the truck has 305 horsepower. And again, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, that's the way to go. If you're looking for more power, obviously you can step up to the twin-turbo Hurricane 3-liter standard output engine, 420 horsepower. And then, if you want, you can step up to the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with the e-torque mild hybrid system with 395 horsepower and that incredible sound. If you get the Laramie or the Rebel, obviously Hurricane standard output power is standard, and then you can step up to 5.7. So you do have the option to go through the whole entire lineup of powertrains with these models. So let's talk about what is the key features for the Ram 1500 America 250, starting with Bighorn. Okay, Bighorn comes with the level 2 equipment group, 20-inch black wheels, denim inspired interior, which we talked about, which looks amazing, heated front and seats and steering wheel, and the 12-inch screen. And the starting price, including destination, I'm including the destination in this, is $61,415. So again, it's not like totally out there because it's a Bighorn, but $61,415. So I think it's a pretty fair deal considering the all the content you're getting, especially with the Sport Performance hood, the actual digital gauge cluster, the special seats, special badging, and all that. I think it's a really good touch for what the normal Bighorn trucks are going for. I think a lot of people will opt for this truck. And again, the quantities are limited. So on the Ram 1500 Laramie America 250, you're getting premium leather interior, 22-inch wheels. This is the same 22s that we've seen forever. And you can get either a level 1 or a level 2 equipped truck. And then it has the advanced tech features, so the larger displays and the premium audio. That truck will set you back $70,365, and that includes the destination as well. Then let's talk about Rebel. So Rebel does get, obviously, its unique looks, but it does have its unique bumper and grille design. All the graphics packages, the blacked out looks. Obviously, it has 18-inch wheels as standard, but it comes standard with the level 2 equipment group. And that truck is going to cost $72,830, and that includes the actual destination price too. So again, it's not huge on Rebel compared to some of the other stuff. I think Bighorn's really the standout here, but they're giving you the package on Rebel as an option. So if you really like the American hood decals and stuff like that, go for it. But I really think that Bighorn is the standout. So again, tell me what you think down below of these trucks. They're going to be hitting dealers very, very soon. Orders open up today. So if you want to go get one of these trucks, especially the Bighorn, which I think is going to be the biggest hit out of them all, make sure to go to your Ram dealer today and order one because the quantities are limited. We don't know how many they're building. We know the pricing, but we don't know how many they're going to build. They never said, so God only knows. So if you want one, make sure to sign up immediately and get one. So tell me what you guys think down below. Make sure to watch. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.